Hey, how you doing, guys? I found some exciting news for the Mac owners out there, and this has to do with Vulkan. Now, Vulkan and even Apple's own version Metal, which allows direct access to the GPU from the computer bypassing the CPU, which gives you much more performance. Now, this comes from the Cronus Group Consortium, the one that developed Vulkan. They're actually coming out with an Vulkan SDK that allows them to port over Vulkan games and applications to the Mac platform. And let's actually look at a little thing right here for you. And if you can see here, the application using the Vulkan Mac OS SDK, and then it converts Vulkan calls into Metal calls, Apple's own version, and then allows you to run the application. And also got you some performance for some games as well, just to show you that. And all it really is doing is just porting it from one version to another. And this is very similar to what they've done with, give an example, window games that use DirectX to OpenGL. And I've played many games that have been ported over as well. Now, I don't think it's going to be or give you nearly as much performance as doing it natively, programmed toward that computing platform. For in this instance, from programming it from within Metal rather than porting it over. But I think it is a very useful for developers. In fact, I think it's one of the most requested from developers. Obviously, giving example gaming, the most popular platform is Windows, obviously. So instead of them going and reprogramming it from scratch into Apple using Metal, OpenCL or OpenGL, they can use this Vulkan SDK. Much easier for them to port it over. And so now that gives Mac users more choice as far as gaming. So I'm glad to see that. So I definitely want to report on this for you guys and get your thoughts as well. It's going to give you much more applications and games than you could get otherwise. So thanks for watching.